Seems like yesterday, it was just a dream.